are here at the Hotel.
So how do we get? You have to confirm kung meron silang backup details on their release. Okay. So next is the vendor or
Uy, kayo mo dahil malawa kayo ng mga liba-iba. Dari ya, sir. Na ano? Bye, ma'am. Uy, wala lagi ko yung pin. Awasan. Grabe ka mga piking. Yo, pali ay ka. Picture mo na lang, ma'am. Dali na lang, ma'am. So guys, hi guys, kami dari karon sa magkuat mi guys. Oh, the view is building. Hi. It's so nice.
Dito actually before 2 lang siya, pero ang sa stripes nito is yung sukat niya sa room is nasa 32 square meters. So we only have 6 premier rooms po. We have third, fourth, and fifth.
Kayo ba ay nag-record sa sinasabi ni Ma'am?
Yes.
Nalabas sa exam niya sinasabi ni Ma'am.
Wait, sorry. Here. Okay, so before the mag-get inside sa room, so we will check. Though the room is half open, so pina-prepare na din namin kasi siya sa housekeeping. So the SOP is housekeeping room check, housekeeping coming in, and then tap the key card. Since naka-half open siya, so it will not be, hindi na siya nag-light on, pero nagla-light talaga yan siya sa okay. Ang care meters, ang ano niya,
Good siya, pero
standard room, sir, which is 18 SQM.
here's the room rate,
Rating.
the
Actually, may
published
mga
rate,
ratings din
and
yan
we
sila
can
sa
rate.
property.
TikTok.
So guys, for today's vlog is mag-enter kami. And this is my outfit. And this is for final requirements. Kasi mag-third year na kami guys. Mag-third year na kami